Okay, welcome to Physics and Chemistry Science. With this short video, I would like to comment at you what about the way of study of the physics and chemistry. These are two parts of the science that are extremely in relationship. For that, I start commenting what is physics. But remember that all that I would like to say here about physics is according also about chemistry. Physics, as you know, is one of the most fundamental science, okay, that we study a lot in different academic levels in our life. The scientist of all disciplines uses the physics, the ideas of physics, including the chemistry, who study the structure of the molecules, paleontologists who try to reconstruct how dinosaurs work, and climatologists who study how human activity affect the atmosphere and ocean. For that, the physics, the ideas of physics are the basic support in order to study other branch of the science. The physics is also the foundation of all engineering and technology. No engineer could design a flat TV, okay, a prosthetic legs, or even a better mousetrap without first understanding the basic law of physics. For that, the understanding the basic law of physics is extremely important. The study of physics and chemistry is also an adventure. If you if you've ever wondered why the sky is blue, how radio waves can travel through empty space, or how a satellite stays in orbit, you can find the answer by using the fundamental of physics. Okay, you will come to see physics and chemistry as a towering, okay, achievement of the human intellect in its quest to understand the world and ourselves. For that, studying physics and chemistry is very important. But the question is, how should I study physics and chemistry, and how I can prepare for examination? There is not a simple answer to this question, but we can offer suggestions based on our own experience in learning and teaching over the years. First and foremost, maintain a positive attitude toward the subject matter, keeping in mind that physics is the most fundamental of all natural science, and the ideas of physics can be applied, okay, to other branch of the science. Other science, for example, course, uh, course or research depend that follow will use the same physical principle. So it is important that you understand and are able to apply the various concepts and theory discussed in this course or in any course of physics and chemistry. What about with the objective of physics and chemistry course? In general, the introductory physics and chemistry course has three main objectives, okay? The first one, to provide the student with a clear and logical presentation, okay, of the basic concept and principle of physics. Second, to strengthen an understanding of the concepts and principles through a broad range of interesting real-world application. And finally, to develop a strong problem-solving skills. This is a very important in all type of science. The problem-solving skills is the basic knowledge that you got from the concept, law, and principle, and all of them apply to the solution of problem is the final result in the solution of different situations around us in our life. For that, the problem-solving skills through an effective, organized approach. That's very important. The objective number 3 is a very important objective. To meet this objective, we emphasize well-organized physical and chemical arguments and a focused problem-solving strategy. At the same time, we attempt to motivate the students through practical examples that demonstrate the role of physics and chemistry in other disciplines. That's very interesting because the physics as a fundamental science and also the chemistry can be applied to other disciplines, okay, including a very important discipline that is the engineering. And of course, today, with the great advance of the medicine, okay, for that, with this information, I will try to guide you in the fulfillment of the activities for each week that the course requires in any course of physics or any course of chemistry. Please read each instruction carefully and complete with the guidelines given so that you achieve your highest grade at the end of each course of physics and chemistry. That is very short, very compact information, but I think that is the most important information that all students that start to study chemistry or physics should be take present all the time. Thank you.